Look at, I have to show you. Look at the sharpening of the pencil. See one?
Oh,
See?
you opened it.
Yeah.
Okay, how to sharpen a pencil? Go.
Yeah. Let's put
First is,
a red line.
and then,
Next, I mix a color pink.
and then,
Next, a rainbow. It's a rainbow,
there's a rainbow.
but it's too small.
Tell me the colors that you see. Wow, that's a nice sharpener.
There, next.
It's so clear. Oh, what are the colors? What are your color pencils? What are the colors?
You put the colors.
This is color.
You put.
This is
On
what
the
color?
right side.
Color.
Huh? Color brown.
This one, color.
Orange.
This one.
Yellow.
This one.
This is a green.
This one.
It's a brown.
This one.
It's a cyan.
This one.
It's a orange.
This one.
It's a blue.
This one.
It's a dark.
This one.
It's a red.
This one.
Huh? It's a purple.
This one.
It's a pink.
Well done. Let's write na.
Oh no.
Are you done?
Nope. Oh no.
Oh, you broke it.
Oh no. Can you fix?
You continue sharpening.
Oh, can you fix, mommy?
What's the magic word?
Please, mommy. Please, mommy, can you fix?
Kulang.
And pencil. Mommy, can you please make Mommy, can you please make fix my pencil?
Alright.